This is Sailova. He is washing the dishes, and it's so amazing. So I have to go live.
Oh hi. Hetia anga ti hi choi khama hina thale zuala mo. Ei choi khama kan chok tam deu kan ei zo a kan thut le mai thon kan dul te kiar thaya. Chuan kan choi khama hian thut mai lo tu. Tu na hian ka thlen in te hian in Thlengsil turin min tilawa ke man Thlengsil kha ka su top mai ni mo a chan chu hei sap rama ka oma tu na hian sit te hi dup sia hei sofa te dup sia choi khama kan thut top chuanin kan digestion chung chang kha problem om thaya chuan Thleng sil su antia ai ka sil du sil tir sa ro ka tia khoi takin min sil tir ro ka tia min phal sa ka lo tok mai mo.
Every day? Do you wash the dishes every day?
Yeah, every day.
Wow. Okay, let me ask you some questions while you're washing, okay?
Huh?
Let me ask you some questions that your fans want to know, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, GRILMC. Single or not?
Single.
Single?
Yeah.
Okay, it said the next question, Thlengsil, what kind of girl do you like?
Like you, Tanglu.
Huh? He likes someone like you, Thlengsil. What if she's Nudong, already married?
Huh?
What if she's already married?
Huh?
Thlengsil, what if she's already married? You said someone like you.
Me?
No. Okay, next question. Samuel Zatang said...
Tanglu is already married?
Yeah, what if she is?
Uh-huh.
What do you
Nah, it's okay. I'll wait her.
say?
After...
Oh, wait for her daughter too.
After...
Okay, next question.
After she divorced, I will wait.
Stop! mean.
Yeah, just kidding. Yeah.
Okay. Samuel Zatang said, if you suddenly found yourself turned into a woman, how would you spend your day? If you were a woman,
Yeah.
what would you do? If you were a woman for one day, what would you do?
I want to be a good wife for my husband and
Like
the
what?
housework.
How are you gonna be a
Better
good wife?
woman.
What are you gonna do?
Kasi lang, may silang higa experience lang I don't know.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is bai and tom yum soup.
Okay. And then, can you just say specifically what you want for a wife? Someone said,
It's really hard.
Matu Biakyam Sung said, does she have a wife? Do you have a wife?
No.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Not even like someone you're talking
Right
to
now.
right now?
Tonight here vacancy, fully vacancy.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Come on, every girl, hurry up.
Hurry up, see what he can do for you. Wash the dishes.
Yeah,
right?
I'll do it. This for my wife.
Every day?
Yeah.
Wow.
Kan no pui chu kuma chu nga ting pui ka fa pe nga. Ke theng ka sila nga no te ka bo la nga. Katia. I'm just kidding.
Okay, and another question. What do you think about if a girl, Jenny Boyd Hyangza Tang, said, can I be his girlfriend?
Oh my god.
And
You
then,
really want it?
do you really?
Just pray.
Just pray. And then, Johan Munzatang said, Lai Holden Tiam Noma. Can you talk to them in Thakha, please?
Tampi ka thelo simanselo.
It's so official. So formal.
So formal, yeah.
Are you reading the Bible? Say na in. Simanselo is like reading. You're reading the Bible. Okay, and then someone said, Oh, like her even chim
Demin omlado te. Kapay ka lang. Just back. All this stuff will be up here.
You want me to shoot your whole body? You want me to shoot his whole body? Okay. Next question. Date gada DC CBMC arat lai.
So 24. Coming February 24. Isn't it?
Yeah. Isn't it? And then Zakap said, "Atiam Vanlalsailova okasum." Atiam ka.
File to Jacob, very fine. Stop my name. You know, mipa ayin, mecha ayin mipa he can chak so we are very strong. So bang chuanin kan feel no re hi mecha in voice so man no khat mipa voice khat no ang ania. So bang chuanin mipa chu kan chak so kan feel sing te kan su hi fai so mo
Atiam ko la te go here Zakap. And Sung H bar Tinte said hi. She said hi.
I say hi, Sung. H bar.
Jessica Zatang said, Melta chorus ka Hansa lok is here.
Melta chorus.
Melta, it's just a chorus.
Tu say leng choi nge moi mi le yang renga ka don lung ru min ti buai tu ka tong ngai lo nang lo chu tu nghe pink card request Jessica oh Meltra izun leng ai reng na
she's married and have one son already.
Oh my god, hopeless women.
Hopeless women.
Oh my god. Anyway, thank you, Jessica. God bless you.
Okay, and then Matu Vietnam Sung says, please tell him his voice is so good. May God bless him.
Oh, thank you.
What is he gonna do in the future?
In my future, yeah, I'm trying to be a good person for my nation and my God. I'm not sure. I can't say this time anyway. Yeah, but I'm trying to be a better man.
In Christ. Okay.
In Christ.
Awesome. Really, Asif Nu said, hi Sailova, Napelduk.
Hi.
Napelduk.
Thank
You know what that
so
means?
much. Yeah.
Okay. Can you say thank you so much in
Kairom tuk.
Wow, how long he been here? He looked like getting fat.
No, I'm not fat. I'm big and I'm like you know, I built my muscle. That's why I'm looking.
Can you show your whole body? They say you're getting fat. Let's turn around. It's not fat. He's just buff. It's all muscle, right?
Look at this, my chest.
Show your muscle a little bit.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Yo, check it out, my body. Huh? Yo, come on, yo, man. This is mine, yeah. Okay.
And then someone said Atabduk is one chingo se Atel. You want that?
Yeah, I like it. Come on, please, come.
And then Lei Vang said, I love you.
Oh, is she single or married?
I don't know. I think everyone that love you is married. No single one right now. Okay, and then Ling Tang said, Anupitu, I'm Yakuk
Wow. That's a great compliment. Thank you so much.
And Lei Vang, I think that's the one that said I love you. He said, I love you, Sailova, please marry me.
Oh, I'm just dying. Thank you so much, Leva. Pray. God can do everything. And your prayer will be so powerful.
And then Amha said, Sailova he ifel hemai it's one nom tak ze It's one. Asmo ka rin na.
Milola yeah. This I need to.
And then Sang Sailova said, "Kan nupa tan idu." Huh? I don't get it. Kan nupa tan idu.
Kan nupatan idu.
Oh, kan nupa tan idu. Okay. Chan Chung said, "Ama chu nan tolter." He said, "Why do we make you wash the dishes?" He akan katol kuma sang panak te in nan ro long heo kadulo tila. Akan nol chi kan dulo na kan tolter ko he. I love you. Please marry me again, Levang. Can he speak Matu? Matu? Topa?
No, tidim, that is tidim, is it?
Topa
Is tidim. That
Matu.
Patian. Matu, I'm sorry.
He'll learn. Teach him, right?
Yeah, teach me, please.
Teach him. Silo,
What is God bless you in Matu, please?
please comment down. God bless you in Matu. James Boy says, "Hello, idam taem."
Kadamcha. Dandamma.
And Leivang said again, "Marry me, Silo." And then
Okay, now I'll just finish my.
Okay. Next question, okay? Telove. Oh, that's not a question, it's a comment. Telove. Good? Taco Leo said, "Why is he putting everything in one place?" It's so true, look.
I'm sorry.
That's so true. You have to put it upside down, that one.
Wait.
Okay.
What about the spoon? It's on the side. On the side.
Where?
Put it right here.
Here.
This is not his first time, guys. He's just acting.
Yeah.
He always do this.
Okay.
And then put this upside down.
Where?
Just like that. So the water.
like this.
Yeah, so there's no water.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. Okay, someone else said, "Nupi ngay rimo." Aya kan po silo tu pakan tolter. A fel tuk nupi ding tu I'm yak tak lai hi. Wow. You are so friendly, Sailova. With bunny in mang chin ko se.
Thank you so much. Happy yes.
Do tuk siya a fel tuk him. Okay, another question. Can you ask him? Can you ask him what country he enjoys staying at the most and why? Also ask him what is his favorite Indian. Okay, so first question first. What is your favorite country?
My favorite country is
Here.
Yeah.
Yay.
yeah.
Why?
Because there are lots of Chin people. They are so
Nice.
nice.
Chin people, can you be specific? Like, Chin people, like what kind of people?
Can
you put your hand down?
I don't know. All the Chin
Like
people.
Chin Nunga, Nula?
Not only Nunga, but also all these people. And
Why do you like the Chin people?
they are very, very frank and they love me.
Your mouth is crying.
They are very generous for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think they like me. I like them too. I love them too.
Okay.
That's why.
He said, what is your favorite? What is your favorite house chore? I think it's washing the dishes, right?
I like this.
You like this? You don't like to cook?
I like this because yeah, I like to do like this and
Oh, Mizo, just say it, Mizo.
I should show this to you.
Okay. Sangboy said,
ชวดเนาะ
Lai hurt rak chim chate in what? Chot no? What did you say? Chuang Jay ma? Okay, Chuang Jay upon me.
ชวดเนาะก็เป็นแล้วก็เป็นเลยแล้ว
No, I know. Bathroom 10, right? Cleaning the bathroom.
We are cleaning the bathroom and doing like this.
Okay. Lai hurt rak chim chate in tang wal chatak nan ngay. A fel ko tuk ka then. Sailova ingay san tle may. Izay tiam in itwan nom tle may.
กันลมตุแกกายลมตุแก That's good.
Okay, Malaysia lama te minlo tlo le tin donya. Mizo. Can you come back? They said.
Tuần cùng September thả cái rồi mấy thầy.
Oh. Okay, Silo, I'm a huge fan of you.
Thank you
You
so
know
much.
what? You sound like my ex-boyfriend.
Okay.
She's so funny.
Accept
What's
everything.
this?
No, you should be like, hopefully you like me more than your ex.
Is this the girl that kept saying, "Will you marry me?" I think so. Okay.
There's a
Um,
lot of people.
how did he have to practice to watch? Hold on. Okay. Whoa, it went all the way down. I'm so happy, Silo. Okay. Matu dong in paten lo zao ten na pe se.
But then lo giao thì nắp bể sẽ.
Okay.
That's good. I'll remember that.
Nanupui avan nei don ni kha MS idon chiang lo.
Yeah, kasi yeah.
Silo Adalis a runkal ve do.
Yeah, I'll come to Dallas.
Oh, someone
Please pray
said
for me.
to come to Dallas. Wait, you go right? For official? That you're gonna go to Dallas? Okay.
I hope so.
Do you have the date for them?
I know.
Not yet. Okay,
Not
coming
this time.
soon. Joseph Talian said he looked like Arnold. Oh,
Really?
you know Arnold?
Yeah, I like Arnold. He's
Wow.
he's my
Motivation.
favorite bodybuilder.
Okay.
Biggest star. But you know, my body is not big enough
Like Arnold.
But it's okay. Thank you so much for it. Compliment.
ไม่เชียอันต่ำเสียติงเง่แทงอิสิลสุดๆอีเพลละตุกมัวเด้
You see, do you understand that question?
A little bit ไม่เชีย Oh, okay. Oh, no, he
That's
begged
so
us.
cool.
We cook and he washed the dishes. How long did he have to practice to wash?
Who wrote that?
Donald T said, how long did he have to practice to wash those dishes?
Mizoram, yeah, from Mizoram, it's almost 10 years.
10 years you have to
Yeah.
practice for this moment, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sim na talo piang thar ti mi tha ka ngai in tha zong tampi kala.
Thank you. Bless you.
Please sing one verse of cell phone.
Yes, please.
Just one verse.
I want to snap it too.
The cell phone. Sorry.
Uh-huh. No. His cell phone. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Hello. Oh, you cry. Where's?
Are you gonna sing?
We're crying. Break up with boyfriend. Don't worry, God is there. Always there beside you. I'll pray for you. Just stop crying. Cause cell phone Tom. Hello, Ria. Kabinga ori chua. Lungay na orol. Trap Ria chua. Tran pui kangai tiin. Amit tui at lae. Trong chân lấy thay lo vinh. Cần lấy có bùi cái mang ấy nên trên nát thứ cần xoaya. Trong trai in Isu min âu bùi ro. Trong thar hay siala. Krista tel lâu mang ấy bát lan. Lim tuan an om lo ve. Lung chirin an ao.
She just say one verse. That's good.
Thank you.
He was feeling it, so he went a little beyond. Wait, pani lam shuai in umpi go say. James Boy said bait zong atong pat lai. You know bait, like chin wrestling.
Yeah.
He's like, you'll be strong. You'll be good in it.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
We should we should register you in the Chin National Day.
Bait?
Bait zom na.
No, if he gets hurt. You want...
Okay, ready?
Just wait. I'll make
Rosie
it.
na dam mo February 11 na hindi kan na hindi na umkol ay.
That's not.
Okay.
This is not your show. This is my show.
Was he here for C&D pay atut ngai khata? Oh, he said. They said.
What?
Still, where you? Kakan dir lighting a tabi kakan.
I like that happy.
He said, "Why did you come to America to compete in the chin wrestling?"
Yeah. If you want it, let's do
Donald,
it.
you are say Donald. I challenge you. Say that.
Dano, I challenge you.
Can you show a picture of?
Come on, let's do it, Dano. Where is
We'll
that?
show you a picture. Okay, hold on. Next question.
Come on. I
Kong
can't
ai
control myself also. I'm like Hulk.
got his face. Okay. Kong ai in min lo bye te usai lo.
Hi. What is your name?
Fiona Chucks Engma.
Fiona.
Fiona go here.
Her name is Fiona.
Mhm.
Hi, Fiona.
Bye bye.
Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Yeah.
Okay, chapo van chim ter tua tlom te in chapo lai tong in oh never mind.
Light drawing more.
Yeah, no. A joke. Tell us a joke.
Jokes. In light drawing?
I don't have him as a friend.
Nandam mo. Kits kadam. Kapuar kakimtuk.
Puerto.
Kakimtuk.
That was his joke, guys.
No, in Mizo puar means full.
Uh-huh.
In Hakka puar means I think it is some bad words like.
Kapuar. Oh, puar is like the puer to like.
Oh yeah.
No.
It's temper. You have temper.
Temper, yeah. Bad temper.
Temper.
Can you do the pineapple pen song?
Give me a pen. Give me an apple.
Do you know that song?
Apple pen.
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, coming soon. Okay.
Sure.
Silo, please lag an sakpiak ta na o ngay gandu. Okay, no, because an sakpiak song ha. Silo, when are you going to get married?
Ooh, that's interesting question.
Mhm.
But it's really hard to answer this time because there's no women in my life.
Oh, so sad. So guys, that is a signal, a sign to go. Do you like
This is my
Oh my
darling.
Sorry. Okay.
She's
Diyan
also
ang
crying.
ba tu kang lang tu. Diyan mun tuan ter e.
Kung kay ma.
Zang fa den apakhan nak Jisu ti mi hagan sakpiak se please. Apakhan nak Jisu just one little verse. Thlengsil in man thiam ve. Khala tu kan
Oh.
chak jok. No they
Hey, life. Kay po kay mo. I see myself.
Oh my goodness.
Rantin na i-vax. Kalang chalaw pa lang eh.
Okay. Hey, you know the one you challenged
Yeah.
to the wrestling? This is his picture. Donald.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's big. It's like a panda. I'm scared.
We call him DC Panda.
Really?
Yeah, so you will wrestle him? You will wrestle him?
Okay, I'll do it. By the power of God.
Okay, it's all a joke. Okay. Wait, say that to my son. I'm here. Thlengsil even Tiembe. Okay, I'm told city Thlengsil. Kala tu kan hu chak zok. Kala. Oh no. Never. It's a secret. Singapore Pau local Vedonia Malay ikal Huna welcome
Thank you so much.
Chwat not what? Chwat not rose.
So no,
What?
where's
Are you thang pa he una hon simo? Thang pa. You know thang pa? Usay no? Thang pa ka peta a video ka. I think thang pa su pol pa ka polo ma. Toyota? No, Toyota. Just say thang pa on YouTube, yeah. Sailova, they say you look like this guy named Tang Ba. Okay, we'll show you a video.
Song. This one right here.
Yeah,
Who's that from?
Tang Ba. That's like very famous.
Oh my god!
Can you dance like him? Look, look.
You don't look like him?
I see this video. I saw this.
He's
video.
very famous.
Can you dance like
He's
him?
a comedian, right?
Yeah.
It's like Mutavela.
Tang Bela. Yeah. Good. So you don't think you look like him
Physically, I'm not.
physically? how
But
about the
maybe
voice?
character is-
The voice?
I don't know the voice.
Don't watch yourself. We're already shooting you. Here.
Kênh về tụi thô lo. Có mũ đâu tụi.
No, turn it off for now. You can
Okay.
watch it tonight, all
Okay.
night.
So,
See,
okay,
Arab
let's
Ramzo.
go. Let's go to the keyboard room.
The keyboard room. Okay. While you're moving, I'll ask you.
Upstairs?
Laita na du big me na kan chim komo.
Not here. I just want to wear. Where's my cat?
Guys, he's good at washing the dishes, but he's not good at folding his one, right?
Where is my phone?
No, I have your phone. Look, this is where you sleep, right?
No.
Why?
Yes,
Why is your
yes.
one like that? Huh? I thought you were like Nafel huh?
Hey, Hitsu. 你知道我看咁摸個頭只做個水下啦。So sorry anyway.
Okay. Laita na du big me ban chim ta usai lo. Laita na du big me. Your favorite?
My favorite is Jong Nong Bi Boy Pa.
Your own song? That means you don't listen to any other song. Alien sounds at Thlengsil. He looked like my father.
What is that?
They really want to hear a joke. Not yet, because we can hear her voice. Sailova, they said Zapao, but can you tell us one joke, please?
Zapao. In Lai Hall?
No, because like one to the team not to right.
One Zapao is we cut to Haka Kakala. Then Lai Nula Pakat Neda Hianin. Think R he in the Anang need Katia. R Tia. Anile, and thing Vokinti Katia, Vok Atilia, Vokanti Vetotia. Anile, and thing Bong he in the Katia. So Atia.
That's it.
Kapuna Salutum. I'm so surprised because in Mizo, so is like rice, you know. So in Falamor Lai. Haka,
so it's cow.
bong katson dia. Cuma in kapuna sa. Bong kabu amon You understand?
Oh, wow, that was, woo! You should be a professional joke teller. Wait, no one. Okay, I guess he's gonna sing, guys. What song? Office tang na to tul vek in kan lo ngai thae.